I had years of frustration because I had dentures since I was in my early 20s. Your dental health is what affects the rest of your body. Because if you can't eat or you're not getting good nutrition, it's going to wear on you. You're going to pay for it one way or the other. So you might as well get it done, get back to being healthy, make the decision, do it.
Patient that has dentures, the worst thing they can do is wait. Some of the advantages of full-arched, fixed dentistry, by that I mean teeth that don't come out. The confidence they give you is that they're not going to move. So when you smile, when you speak, your teeth aren't moving around. You're not having to help them stay in place. Teeth aren't going to break, they're not going to get loose, they're not going to chip, they're not going to stain. They're just great teeth.
They look and feel just like my teeth. I can't tell a difference. That's a wow factor, big time.
For a free consultation, call Texas Dental Implants at 903-893-7751.